You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off text message forwarding on your iPhone, which stops messages from appearing on other Apple devices. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Messages, scroll down and tap Text Message Forwarding. You will see a list of devices, like your iPad or Mac, that are currently set up to receive your messages. To disable forwarding to a specific device, simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. The switch will turn from green to gray. To turn off all text message forwarding, toggle off every device listed on this screen. Once disabled, new text messages, SMS, and iMessages will only appear on your iPhone and will not be forwarded to the other devices. Remember, this setting only affects SMS and iMessage forwarding. It does not affect regular iMessage syncing across your own Apple ID devices. For complete separation, you may also want to sign out of iMessage on the other device. This is useful if you've sold an old device, want to ensure privacy, or are troubleshooting notification issues. You can re-enable forwarding at any time by returning to the same menu and toggling the devices back on. For more simple iPhone messaging tutorials, subscribe to the channel.